This is Mabira Forest. Mabira Forest is one of the biggest forest reserves in Uganda. Mabira Forest is covering about 300 square kilometers in Uganda. Located in Buyikwe district between Lugazi and Jinja. It has been protected as Mabira Forest Reserve since 1932. It's home for the many endangered species. Since Mabira Forest is home for the many endangered species, you can't miss the attractions inside its natural habitat of 312 species of trees, home of 315 species of birds, 218 butterfly species, 97 moth species, 23 small mammal species. It's also called the National Forest of Uganda and the largest surviving natural forest covering almost the biggest part of Mukono district. There is a lot of activities to do in Mabira Forest and it's a perfect add-on to your safari. Things to do and see in Mabira Forest. Zip lining. Zip lining is the only zip line above the treetops in East Africa and you can only do so in Mabira Forest. Other activities you can do inside Mabira Forest include butterfly identification, forest hikes, nature walk, mangabi tracking, and birding. All those activities they are inside Mabira Forest. Welcome to Mabira Rainforest Lodge, and from here you can also enjoy a lot of free activities. Mabira Forest Lodge is a luxury eco lodge set within the nature-rich Mabira Forest Reserve in the heart of Uganda. The serene and the beauty of the lodge overlooks the density of the rainforest and guests can enjoy spectacular view of the surroundings from their wooden cabins or from the lodge's restaurant, bar or the open lounge. Guests at Mabira Rainforest Lodge can explore the reserve and enjoy activities including guided walks within the lodge's in-house nature.